Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is Hafiz live with another video, and today lecture we will learn the function of poyline tool. Look at the design. I have designed this with the help of poyline tool. Okay, first I have drawn the lines with the help of poyline tool, then I have used shape tool. The shortcut key for shape tool is F10 mostly, and during my designing I use F10 key directly to select the shape tool. Okay, here we go. I'm going to start, select poyline tool, click, click, click and click. Now I have drawn this little bit vertically, but I am rotating it now. Now I'm selecting shape tool F10. I'm pressing F10. Okay, F10. I'm clicking here and go to the upper option, convert line to curve. Okay, I'm doing it, converting it to the curve. Okay, I'm coming down to the next node. I'm deleting this node and deleting and clicking single here and again to this option and making it curve according to the shape I have designed. Firstly, in the chart I have shown you. Okay, and now I am taking a copy of this, and I took a copy, and again F10. I am making it little narrow it. F10. I'm dragging this node here to this node to the older shape and making it according to the next previous shape. Okay, again I'm taking another copy of this and F10. Bringing up this node up, meeting with another. Now I am filling color. And first I have filled with this color, I think with this color, and to the second I have filled with little bit dark, and to the third I have filled with white color. Okay, with the white color I am removing outlines, all of the shapes. I removed the lines. Again F10, sorry, F10. I'm making little bit nerve, sorry. First I should fill this color to this so that it is visible to us. Now I'm taking a copy of this as well. Fill the color little bit dark, this color or this. F10 again, make it little bit narrow. Meet the end with here with the other shapes, bringing it here. Now I am giving shadow to the lower shapes. I should give, this is not good, bottom, multiply it and outside and square. Then I'm giving 10 value, 10 giving 15. I think I should give 5. Page up, page up. Control plus G or grouping by this option, group and take a copy. Again ungroup and fill the another color like I have given to the previous designing. This little bit dark, no. Now this Control plus G, again take a copy, ungroup and fill the color. I'm filling it with this, this and I have given share to this designing your object, therefore I facing some problem with selecting the object. Now bring up again and select the color here. Select the all group and bring it here. Do some comparison with it. There is no difference between these two designings. In this designing I used two tools. First I used poyline curve tool, poyline tool, and I convert the tool into the shape tool, curve tool. I used shape tool to curve to make it curve. In today's lecture we learn the function of two tools, poyline tools and shape tool we used in today designing. Look at here, the shade I have given shadow to this lower object. Okay, this is the design I designed today with the help of poyline tool and shape tool. Okay, I hope you have liked this video today. We will see you next video. Bye.